everyone. I welcome you all to News and Flash column of 1st July 2021. It is presented to you by Losiko. I'm Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Sudharma Sanskrit daily editor KV Sampath Kumar passes away. KV Sampath Kumar, who was of 64 years old, managing editor of Sudharma, the world's only Sanskrit daily printed and published from Mysore, passed away. Please note that Sampath Kumar and his wife were selected for Distinguished Padma Shri Award last year. The newspaper Sudharma has its headquarters at Mysore, Karnataka, and it was circulated among 3,500 copies, and it was found on 14 July 1970, that is 50 years ago. Moving to the next news item, National Doctors Day. India celebrates National Doctors Day on 1st July every year to honor the birth and death anniversary of great physician and second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. The Government of India established Doctor Day in 1991 to recognize the contribution of B.C. Roy. He played an important role in establishment of MCI, MCI, that is Medical Council of India, and Indian Medical Association. Moving to the next news item, Atal Innovation Mission concludes FinTech cohort. IAM iLeap to back tech startups. In a move to give a major push to tech startup across the country, the Atal Innovation Mission, which is under the Niti Aayog, on Wednesday concluded its first fintech cohort of AIM iLeap, an initiative to back tech startup for much needed access to industry, market, and investors. The objective of AIMI Leap program is to invite technology startups across broad range of functions and have them present their solution to corporate leadership and innovation team for enabling market access and industry partnership. The FinTech cohort was done through a series of thematic virtual demo days organized by AIM in partnership with Startup Reserve and Visa as part of IAM iLeap, that is Innovative Leadership for Entrepreneurial Agility and Profitability Initiative. Moving to the next news item, City BharatNet implementation through public-private partnership model in 16 states with optical fiber connectivity. The Union Cabinet accorded approval for revised implementation strategy for BharatNet through public-private partnership mode in 16 states of the country. BharatNet will now extend up to all inhabited villages beyond Gram Panchayats in said states. Please note that BharatNet project is the world's largest rural broadband connectivity program using optical fiber. It is implemented by Bharat Broadband Network Limited (BBNL), a special purpose vehicle under Telecom Ministry. The states covered under the cabinet approval today include Kerala, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. An estimated 3.61 lakh villages, including Gram Panchayats, will be covered. Moving to the next news item, Jayant Hooda receives coveted Diana Award. An 18-year-old boy from Sonipat, Haryana, Jayant Hooda, on Wednesday was honored with International Diana Award. Established in the memory of Diana, Princess of Wales, the award is the highest accolade given for social and humanitarian efforts. The award recipients were congratulated by Prince Harry, and Duke of Sussex for their achievements. The Diana Award honor honors young people who work to improve the life of others. The award is the most prestigious accolade a young person is 9 to 25 can receive for their social action or humanitarian work. Named after Diana, Princess of Wales, the award was established in 1999 by a board chaired by Gordon Brown. So this was all for today. Thank you. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.